Firstly, use the wax to cover my finger. With this way, it will be able to create a peak near the cut area. Next, brush on some dark red cream color on the fingernail to create the damaged skin looking. You may spread all over out of the fingernail. Now apply spirit gum on the fingernail. Dot some fat blood on the fingernail too. Cut and split the fake nail into two. Then put on your fingernail. Put on the fake nail on the fingernail. Make it look like it's cracked. Use the brush and apply black color to outline the cuticle area. And in the middle of the cracked nail. Use the spatula to create a cut. Then apply the black color on the cut area. Followed by dark red color to create a deep cut effect. Don't forget the surface of the nail. Apply some fat blood on the split area and make it look like more realistic. Lastly, use your finger dab some dark red color at the lateral wound. The cracked nail is done. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!